How to log into NinjaTrader. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. We are going to be learning how you can log in and access your NinjaTrader account in just a few simple steps. First of all, open the NinjaTrader app on your device, and once you do that, from the main login screen, you'll need to enter your username and then your password. If you've previously signed up using sign in with Google or Apple option, do the same here. If you've previously signed up with email, go ahead and enter your username and password in the respective box at the top. Finally, click on the login button. Once you click login on the next page, you'll be able to see your home page of NinjaTrader app. That means you have successfully signed in. So that is how you log into your existing NinjaTrader account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.